Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a recovery code for Microsoft account, right? It's very easy thing to do. So you have to just click on sign in and then you will be redirected here, right? And here it will ask you to sign in. So you have to just enter your email, phone or Skype ID. If you don't have, you have to click on can't access your account. Now here it will ask you whether it's your school account or basically it's a working account, but for me it is just a personal account. On both of the option, the steps which I'm going to show you, it's work exactly same. So here I will select my personal account for now, and here you have to enter your email address, phone number or Skype number or whichever you want the recovery code, right? So for example, I have that email. So guys, here I have entered my email address and you have to just press on next. And guys, after that, here they will ask you, we need to verify your identity. So you have to just select email. Basically, of course, I have my email. So here to verify this to your email address, complete the hidden part and click send code. So basically they have sent a recovery code to my email address. Let me show you. So here is the code and I have to just copy this out and I have to paste it here and then I have to just click on the next and then it's done, right? Now here I will get option to reset my password. I can just reset my password here and then everything is done. So this is how you can just recover your account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.